Hello there, everyone. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Michael's Munchies. Today I have the new Dr. Pepper flavor, strawberries and cream. Ooh. Right. Just gonna get right into it. Go ahead and crack her open. Oh, that's no good. Mostly just smell normal Dr. Pepper. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. Nice strawberries and cream flavor. I got it. Nice creamy. It actually... I like Dr. Pepper. It has a good taste. But this actually makes it, I don't know, smoother. You know, it doesn't have any, you don't taste anything else. It has a very nice, creamy strawberry flavor. I mean, maybe it's artificially, it says natural and artificial flavored, but the cream in the strawberries and cream is very nice. It's like very, I don't know. It's sort of tastes. It's just a flavor, but like it tastes very smooth and creamy. And the strawberries is also, I guess I could say it's a good strawberry flavor. It's not. It doesn't taste super artificial or anything like that. It's not too much, and it's not too little. Whatever they used is a very good amount of that strawberry flavor. So I think it works very well. It's a very good strawberries and cream. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I think I had just heard a commercial on the radio yesterday about Dr. Pepper strawberries and cream, and it was a woman calling their mother saying they have a new relationship, and it's Dr. Pepper strawberries and cream, and the mother was in tears and so happy that she has a new Dr. Pepper flavor in her life and everything. It was great, but this is good. I really like it. Yeah. It's reminding me of something, but it's just out of reach in my brain. Maybe the strawberry shortcake, like ice cream bars. It's kind of like those, almost. Has a nice strawberry flavor, and like the ice cream. This is almost, I mean, strawberries and cream, but I think the ice cream bar isn't strawberries and cream. It's strawberry shortcake flavored ice cream bar, whatever. But this is a lot like that, in my opinion. So, either way, I really like it. It's very good. Definitely pick it up. Hopefully it's not like one that's just going to be limited and then gone. But yeah, so definitely pick it up. Let me know if you've tried it, what you think, if I'm making any sense or not with what I'm saying. Who knows? I never know. Sometimes I think I'm kind of making sense, and other times I think I'm just sound like a ranting madman. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you feel like it. Michael's Munchies on Facebook, Michael's_Munchies on Instagram. And yeah, thanks again. Till next time. Enjoy your food.
Marcus Munches, yeah.